Hi guys, welcome back. Salamat, bumalik kayo. Sana may tao. Kung wala man, we'll get there. We'll get there. It's me, Tito Mirai, however you want to say it. Wishing you a happy third episode. Ah, lucky number 3. Kamusta tayo dyan, ha? Kamusta tayo dyan lahat? Sana everybody's blessed, everybody's doing well. I hope everything is going really smooth in your life. At kung hindi man, lagi mong tandaan lang yan. Pagsubok, nandyan yan. Hindi natin maiiwasan. Kahit gaano natin gusto itaboy sa buhay, stalker yan eh. Lagi nakabang, huy, umaasenso na to. Guluhin nga natin. Tandaan mo din, walang peace kung walang gulo. Yin and yang. Remember, I always say this, the balance of life. So it's me, Tito Mirai, on episode 3. So, this episode, I'm gonna call it Mama/Mother. Reason being is, syempre, congrats kay Boss Carlos. No? Boss Yulo, you are the one. 2 gold medals. Wow. Galing. Natutuwa ako. I'm sure natutuwa lahat tayo para sa achievements niya. Nakaka-upset lang kasi kaya tinawag ko mother. Kasi nakaka-upset yung na-steal yung ano niya eh. Na-steal yung limelight niya agad-agad dahil sa mama niya. I just wanted to, give my intake as somebody. I don't like to say it, but I think I have a broken relationship with my mom. Sad to say, bless my mom. Pinalaki niya ako mag-isa, so yung respeto ko lagi nandyan. Yung pagmamahal, no, nandyan din. Pero we've just been so out of touch, out of tone, miscommunications, hindi nakakaintindi. Just exactly how, may naalala ko kasi exactly how Lodi Yulo's mom was towards him. Yung bibigay ng interview, parang mali ng anak, sinesteal yung spotlight. Let him enjoy his victory. So yes, mother, very important sa buhay natin yan. Ako, pamilyado na ako. My wife, bless her, love her to bits. She has given me 3 wonderful kids. And she is a pedestal to what mother should be. House wouldn't be a home without no mother or mom, di ba? So bakit nga ba may issue or nakakaroon ng ganito? Well, in my circumstances naman, like I said, single mother yung mama ko. Wala akong chance makilala yung tatay ko. So that's another aspect, I think, why you would think it would bring us closer, and it did. There was a time na, until now still, like I said, I love my mom. Without my mom, wala ako dito. Without my mom, very grateful ako sa lahat ng gawa ng mama ko sa akin. It's just sad na habang tumatagal at lumaki ako, parang naiba eh. Parang nawala na yung instinct namin. Don't know whether it's trauma, whether it's anger, M- Could be miscommunication, pero I've seen things nung bata ako na now iniisip ko as a adult, as a family man, na it really pushed me to be a different person. Ayoko mangyari sa pamilya ko yan. Um, so yeah, my mom, she's a strong woman. You know, she raised me all by herself. Pinalaki niya ako na marespeto, mabait, masunurin. I think in the case na parang kay Yulo, I don't know if it's she's worried kasi ever since na nagkaroon akong pamilya, nagkasal na ako, nagkaroon ako ng anak, parang I don't know kung iniisip niya siyempre ako titignan ko yung mga anak ko, kahit yan tumanda mga anak ko yan babies ko yan kung tawagin, 'di ba? I know she sees that in me as well, na nakikita niya sa akin. Pero yung yung give them a chance to to learn in life. So, I'll give you an example, guys. Growing up, hindi easy. You know, single mom, she's working so hard para sa amin to put a roof on our heads, para mapakain kami. Thank you talaga sa government dito kasi government dito nagtulong din sa amin Sa lahat tumutulong siya sa mga lahat na may mga issues. Which is nice. So, I think for me, I don't despise, I don't hate. I just get annoyed. And I don't know why I get annoyed. Like for example, kung tatawag sa akin ng mama ko ngayon, I want the call to be finished like as soon as possible. If my mom nag-ask ng advice sa akin, I try to give it to her knowing na hindi naman niya siniseryoso yung mga advice na binibigay ko, di ba? I think over time kasi paulit-ulit ganun. I think it's just taking a toll on me. And guys, I don't know. Don't wanna sound unfair. Don't wanna sound like ako ang victim or nakamali siya sa akin. I don't think it's none of that, I'm not playing the victim game. I don't know, maybe I was a bad son. Who knows? Pero all I remember growing up is I wanted to leave the house pagkaka-18 ko. Cause it's not that normal yung parang siyempre teenager, di ba? Yung paglaki natin na parang teenager, parang I know better, I know this, I know that. No, it was trying to escape the life na, like I said, I know I'm not complaining. It was a good life. But I wanted to better myself kung tawagin. So, me and my mom, I grew up so long living with her na importante to. Kaya ako, sinabi ko sa misis ko, importante to. Ako, laki akong box room kung tawagin. So, syempre, like I said, single mother yung mama ko. Walang enough pera. So, nakaka-afford lang naman ng isang kwarto lang. So, dito sa amin, pwede ka magrenta. Kwarto lang, puro shared yung mga ibang kwarto-kwarto. So, hanggang 16, ako, ganun ang buhay Maraming boxes sa kwarto, natutulog ako sa sahig, suffering. And me going through that suffering, parang ayoko mangyari yan sa mga anak namin. Na ayoko na ganun ang matatrato sa mga anak namin ng misis ko. That's why I thrive. I push myself na kahit papano, kahit overtime, OT, shit, kunin ko yan. Kunin ko yung OT. Kung may extra na chance na makaroon ng pera sa work, gawin ko. para lang mabigay maano ko yung pamilya ko, ma-sustain at mabigay ng buhay na wala ako noon. Like I said, I think the connection with me and my mom nawala na. Yung parang, oo, mahal ko ang mama ko. I'm so grateful, no? Pero, I don't know, it just like a chain na nag-break. That link between me and her is broken. And God, I've tried so many times to fix it. You know, tried so many times para ayusin. Pero wala eh. It's like, parang ako tuloy ang may kasalanan lahat. Parang kasalanan ko ba't ako umalis at sinasabi niya iniwan ko siya. But, you know, I have to focus on my family now as well. Like, lahat tayo nabubuhay para mag-progress sa buhay. At kung hindi ka makakapagsabay sa progression na yan, what can you do? Do you stay with them in that low point or do you push yourself para i-better ang sarili mo? In my case, I pushed it. And I'm very thankful na push ko kasi I met my wife. I've got 3 beautiful kids. I've got a nice stable job, you know. Nakakagawa ako ng gusto ko, nakakabili ako ng gusto ko. Napoprovide ko sa mga pamilya ko ng gusto nila. So I'm blessed and I think I'm happy na I took the chance na i-live ang buhay na ganyan. But yeah, that's a little insight to my life with me and my mom. Like I said, yung father ko, never had the chance to meet him, unfortunately. Tried looking. Whew, hirap talaga maghanap. So yeah, na-relate ko lang sarili ko kay Carlos Yulo. With everything going on with him and his mom, I could see the anger between both parties. Yet, kahit sinabi ni Carlos na hindi siya angry, I can still feel the sadness and the anger in him, in his voice. With his mom, I could still see the anger, just like a dagger, stabbing as much as possible. And I'm really keen to know how others have their relationship with their moms. Like me and my mother-in-law, we get along so well. It's sad to say. Sad to say. Anyway, enough glooming na lang. Tama ng kalungkutan. This is episode 3. Like I said, mama/mother. Thank you very much, ulit. I'm not gonna take, again, too much of your time. I keep saying this every week because I like to keep it under 15 minutes yung podcast natin. Kasi the more longer it goes, the more annoying my voice becomes probably. Maraming salamat na nandyan po kayo. At sana sumabaybay po kayo sa akin. Keep listening. Kung pwede din nga, please guys. I know I don't like to ask any favors of sharing and stuff, but if you could do a follow, at least malaman ko kung may tao nakikinig. A follow, a like, whatever, whichever one's easier. Again, we're on Spotify, we're on YouTube, and we're on Facebook. Maraming salamat, guys. Kita-kits next week or kita-kits? Pwede ba sabihin kita-kits dito? Even though you don't see me. Pero you know what I mean. Have a lovely week. Enjoy the weekend, guys. Malapit ng weekend. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.